Do you know the elements of a crime?
Somebody talk about
Thank you.
this guy.
Thank you, that's all. As far as elements of a crime are concerned, could you possibly confirm the mens rea of the accused person?
John, I said I didn't investigate. I effected arrest and recovery. So mens rea can be more explained. And then because I was on the ground, I was told to team up with a team in Eldoret to effect arrest and mental recovery. And I did that and handed over the accused and the exhibits to the investigating officer.
So your consent, I'm asking you, did he consent? Did he say, I consent to the police officers taking these gadgets away from me?
Well, to me, there was a full authority in terms of consenting when we invited him to sign the inventory.
When at the time of the arrest, did you show the accused person that you had a court order from any court in this jurisdiction as far as detaining of those gadgets?
Your Honor, we didn't have one, but understand subsequently,
it's okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Are you aware of what is expected under Section 50 of the Evidence Act on detaining gadgets where there is no warrant?
Your Honor, I'm aware.
What does it state?
But I confirm that upon the seizure of these items, a warrant was obtained of the same.
So you are aware that a warrant was obtained after the fact?
I'm aware. I'm aware something was done.
That is okay. Is that legal? Is that due process from your experience as a police officer?
To me, I would say yes, based on the circumstances.
Based on the circumstances?
Yes.
But does it state that as the procedure under law? When you obtained the said gadgets, did you provide documentary evidence as far as chain custody is concerned?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you show us could you provide it to us?
The documents that I had and the exhibit to the higher.
Are those documents evidence as far as the chain of custody is concerned?
I have very few questions on behalf of Mr. Mokaya as part of the defense team. Now, officer, you informed the Honorable Court that your duty, as far as this case is concerned, was only to arrest the accused person. Is that correct?
I say no, Your Honor.
So, other than being the arresting officer, you are also an investigator in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I conduct initial investigations.
Thank you. So you stand there in your capacity as an arresting officer and equally an investigating officer in this matter. Is that correct?
Partly, Your Honor.
My question is that correct? Yes, no, and then...
Yes, Your Honor, partly.
Thank you.
That's why I'm using the word partly.
You will clarify that. You will be given the opportunity.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, when you are arresting the accused person, you are in the company of how many others? Please explain to the Honorable Court.
I was in the company of 3 others.
3 others?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were the 3 of you in police uniform?
We were not, of course. We don't wear uniform sometimes.
No, there is nothing of course here. We just want you to give us the information as it were.
We were not in police uniform.
You are not in police uniform.
Yes, Your Honor.
On this day, when you are causing the arrest of Mr. David Mokaya, did you and your colleagues introduce yourself to Mr. Mokaya?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Certificate of appointment.
Listen, Mr. Officer, don't be excited. Just listen to my questions, then respond appropriately. I am asking you, now that you do not have police uniforms, did you use your ID or documentation as proof that you're a police officer together with others?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
But I believe it was around 13.
My client, Pastor Ezekiel, is the one who teaches about belief. You are an officer.
Yes, Your Honor. I can't remember.
You can't.
I can't.
Look at the charge sheet. When was the publication done?
On 13th November 2024 at a known place within the Republic of
On?
On 13th November 2024.
Thank you. When did you effect arrest?
15th November 2024.
That is after 2 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where was the publication done?
Through X account.
I'm asking, somebody was seated at a particular location.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've not asked the mode. Where was that publication done?
I don't know, Your Honor.
You don't know.
But I believe it's within the...
I've told you avoid belief.
Yes.
Do you know whoever did that publication? Did it from which location?
I cannot take the location, Your Honor.
Thank you. Confirm when you got instructions to go and arrest. Which day? Which date were you told? Change direction, go and assist.
The same day, Your Honor.
Which day?
15th
15.
November 2024.
Then you left, give the names and the ranks of the officers you went with.
Pardon, Your Honor?
Give the names and the rank of the officers you went to arrest.
Yes, Your Honor. There is a Corporal John Karam, Chalo. There is a Corporal George Jiriri. And there is a PC Nathan Sugan.
And you, your rank?
I'm Chief Inspector Bosco Kisa.
You are the senior most officer in that team.
Yes, Your
Being
Honor.
my chief.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is a matter that concerns who? Read the charge sheet. It concerns who?
The head of the state.
No.
A matter that...
Why these officers, were they stationed in Eldoret or they came from the headquarters?
Your Honor, I said I was leading a team of 3 officers from headquarters, while in Eldoret is when the instruction came in,
Yes,
and I think
listen to
that
my
the 2 officers from Wasingishu.
These 3 officers you were with during arrest, were they stationed at the DC headquarters?
Yes, Your Honor.
They were headquarters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Who told you the location of the accused person?
Your Honor, we got the location through an information while on the ground at DC headquarters, at Wasingishu, that is Eldoret.
Somebody gave you the location of the accused person.
Somebody gave us the information about the whereabouts of the accused person.
You know, we are moving slowly. I'm more chronological. You have information, you move.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you book your movement at Eldoret police station?
Your Honor, you are mobile, and did have an opportunity to book anywhere before we swung into action.
Chief Inspector, you have been in the police force in the police service for how long?
Yes, Your Honor.
For how long?
Well, this is my 32nd year.
You are a senior police officer.
I agree, Your Honor.
No, you are a senior police officer. What is the process when officers from outside the jurisdiction come to arrest? For all these people to know.
Your Honor, the procedure is one. You report at the local DCI police office. Reporting does not mean and include booking the occurrence book. It is not a must.
I have not asked what your opinion is. I've only asked a simple question.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are those procedural directions in the police service orders?
It is procedural in terms of dissemination of information that you are around. At that, there is a reason behind that.
I've not asked you about it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you report your presence?
Yes, of course. We reported the seniors that we were there.
Were another procedural question. Were you accompanied by an officer or officers from the local police station?
Yes, Your Honor. I said we had two officers, Juriri and Suge, who are based in Eldoret.
You are now five. You are told this court there were officers from the DCI headquarters who are 3. And you 4. Confirm that there were police officers from Eldoret at the time of arrest.
Yes, Your Honor. I said we are in company of 2 DCI officers from Eldoret.
If you listen to me, I'm very slow today.
Yes.
Muslims will think I'm fasting. I'm very slow. Identify by the rank the officers from Eldoret who were at the scene of arrest.
Your Honor, I said, and I repeat, that we were with Corporal Jiriri and a PC Suge, both from DCI Eldoret office.
Thank you. At the time of arrest, you have told the court you are in. You are told his location. You are arrested.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was there any resistance?
There was none.
At the time of arrest, did you inform the accused person the reason for arrest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Read what you told him was the reason of arrest.
I cannot remember what I said because it was not written anywhere.
There was a publication.
Yes,
definitely.
I told him that.
Read the publication because that is the reason of arrest.
Okay. Your Honor, the publication was about.
Just read the way it is.
Yes, Your Honor.
Read the court.
That was alleged that on the 13th day of November 2024, at a known place within Kenya, he intentionally published false data, being an image of a funeral procession with a casket covered with a Kenyan flag, escorted by military officers in ceremonial uniform, which he captioned President William Ruto's body leave funeral home over computer system X using account landlord at Bonk Zabi with intent that the data shall be considered as authentic.
President William's body leaves funeral.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have a chance to record the statement of President William Ruto?
Not me, Your Honor. I don't know whether it was recorded or not.
2. From that reading, is President Ruto living, alive or dead? From that.
That is what it is portrays, Your Honor.
To you, a body is a dead body
Of a person.
of a person. Do people wash their bodies?
Pardon, Your Honor?
Do we shower our bodies? Do we clean our bodies? Today in the morning, all of us must have taken up, we showered the body in the morning. True?
We shower, but not a must that
It is a body.
everybody must shower in the morning.
No, what I'm saying. It is a body being washed. True? And that body is not it's not dead. Explain to me.
Well, I wash my body.
Thank you.
I don't know how others.
There's no dead person in that publication. Look at the wording. Is there a wording or a caption, President William Ruto's dead body? Isn't there? Is it there or is it not there?
Your Honor, what I can say is that it talks of a casket, and
Oh,
we
no,
know a casket.
Brother,
And we know a
I'm
casket.
coming there. Just I'm asking, is there any word dead body in that church?
Yes, there is a caption.
Yeah, really.
In ceremonial uniform, which you captions President William Ruto's body leaves the funeral home. There's body, Your Honor.
Dead body. If you are listening, I've been asking the word dead body.
Your Honor, I can confirm there is a body. There is no.
And
dead.
nobody is disputing that. Answer
Your
my
Honor.
question. Is there a dead body?
Your Honor, in the caption there is no dead, but there is a body.
Let's proceed. It is a procession. Hello? It's a procession of either the president or somebody leaving funeral. True?
Yes, Your Honor.
I take you back to the old constitution that was repealed, in August 27 of 2010. It was a crime to imagine the death of a president. Were you aware?
Yes, I was aware, Your Honor.
Yes, it was a crime to imagine the death of the president. Under the new constitution, we have provisions dealing with the intended death of a president and how power will be handed over. You are aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is no longer criminal to imagine the death of the president.
Your Honor, I disagree with the counsel.
What I'm saying, I'll give you the provisions of the Constitution. Is there a provision for the deputy to take over in the event of the death of the president? Take me that. Is that provision there in the Constitution?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there provision in the event the president and the deputy die? The Speaker of the National Assembly will be the president for 60 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it is nothing now new to imagine the death of our president.
It is, Your Honor.
Kenyans
It depends
have
on the way.
decided that they will deal with that question in a manner. It is no longer a crime.
Your Honor, this is very different from the line you are following. We are
Let's go to
dealing-
the other line I'm telling you.
This is very different, Your Honor.
Look at that photo. Is the president, His Excellency, in that photo?
There is a casket
There's a casket.
with a name.
I've asked, do you see the image of His Excellency, the president?
Your Honor,
It's either there or not.
there is no image.
Thank you.
There is a
Proceed.
casket and there is a name.
Let's proceed. The name is President who?
President William Ruto.
President William.
Yes.
How many presidents do we have in this country?
We have one.
You know my boss, the LSK president? Faith
I'm
Odiamo?
talking about President Ruto,
What I'm saying.
not about
Hold
other
on,
presidents.
hold on, hold on. The name president is not a preserve for the head of state. True?
Yes, Your Honor, but we only
Thank
have
you.
one President Ruto.
Move further. Are there Kenyans with that name, those names?
Your Honor, I know only one.
No, you don't know.
I don't know others.
Have you checked the MD of Kenya? Anybody can have that name.
I agree.
It is not patented for one person.
Yes, Your Honor, I agree with you.
Fourth, let's go. Look at the paramilitary attire he has worn there. I'm on that photo. The state can give you or you can help it. You said there is a military officer.
Yes.
How do you identify that they are military officers?
By the uniform.
By the youth. Are you able to identify the crown?
No, Your Honor. But I can identify the Kenyan flag.
You can identify the Kenyan flag.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any offense known in this country to put a Kenyan flag on top of a coffin?
I'm not aware, Your Honor.
There's no crime. You know, all the Gen Zs were buried with the flag. There's no offense to that.
They are carrying some swords.
They are carrying some swords.
Military swords.
Military swords.
Yes.
Are they in Do they do rehearsals? Do the military do rehearsals?
I don't know whether there's any rehearsal going on.
What I'm saying, do they do rehearsals?
Yes, they do.
And you are not competent?
From my position, I've not been handling the matter. I don't know whether it was a record or not.
But somebody must come to say he was shocked by that publication.
Well, it depends.
No.
I don't know whether we have one. Maybe it will come or not, or may not come.
You handed over this matter to who is the investigator now?
The current investigator officer.
By the name?
Karanja.
What rank?
Well, he was handling the matter. He's a police constable.
A constable?
Yes, and he's competent.
To deal with the president's matter?
He's competent and they can to handle the matter.
Thank you very much. I have no further questions.
I swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give before this honorable court touching the matter in question, Your Honor, come 21st November 2024, we gave a response to the same. And in that response, we indicated that the ID card number 392 21353 was issued to and belongs to one David Ooga Mukaya. And Your Honor, you have attached herein an extract of the register of the said person.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the request plate. Yes, it's the request plate.
Okay. Then I'd like to mark the letter from the DCI to the National Registration Bureau dated 15th November 2024 as PM55. And I'd also like to produce the letter from the NRB dated 21st November 2024. 21st November 2024. Is that all?
That's all.
Yeah, that is all.
NRB to provide personal information to any other government agency?
The due process is we received formal request from the investigative arm, which has to be processed through our registry. Then we give a response, a due response according to that request.
What is the threshold as far as that request being honored or denied? For you to comply with the government body's request for personal information to be provided, what is the standard or threshold for you to comply with that particular request?
So
Access personal information of a private citizen. Is that true?
yes,
Did you measure that request letter against those guidelines as provided under law?
I measured because the DCI.
I've asked you, did you measure those guidelines?
Yes.
You measured.
Yes.
Kindly make reference to that letter from the DCI. What the contents are as far as this request letter is concerned.
ID card request for information. ID card number 39221353. The above identification card as featured in a matter under investigation by this office. To enable us finalize our investigations, kindly furnish us with the following: 1. Full particulars of the owner. 2. Fingerprint outs. And 3. Any other relevant information.
You have just stated there is an investigation. Yes. Is that correct?
Sure.
Did they write the underlying issue, the probable cause for private citizens' information to be given to them?
They didn't categorically state the underlying issues.
Now, I make reference to the act of which you act under. Does that comply with the procedures as far as disclosure of information of a private citizen in Kenya?
We are obligated to give information to the investigative arm of the government touching on a particular citizen within the jurisdiction of Kenya.
But there is a standard on what is supposed to be indicated. And I've asked you a very simple question. Has there been an underlying reason or probable cause on why you should breach that oath under NRB to provide that data to another government agency?
Your Honor, to my understanding...
Your Honor, that is all for this witness.
Your Honor, I've been informed that the IO who is handling the matter able to bond witnesses. He was just handing over the file and for the journal to avail the witnesses. Your Honor,
Please introduce yourself.
I'm number 2514. Inspector Ezra Koech, attached to DCI Cybercrime Forensics, and currently seconded to Communication Authority at the National Computer and Incidents Response Team. I wish to state that I hold a bachelor's degree in Information Technology from Kenya Methodist University, and I've also undertaken a course in Digital Forensic Analysis, which was offered by the Office of Anti-Terrorism Assistance, based at U.S. Embassy, Nairobi. We received a request letter from Serious Crime Unit requesting for analysis of about 6 links from X, formerly Twitter, in a case of publication of false information contrary to Section 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act, number 5 of 2018, which they were investigating.
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to mark the letter from the DCI to Communications Authority of Kenya, which is dated 14th November.
14th?
Yes, 14th. 14th November 2024. As PM at 7. Proceed.
Your Honor, I was able to analyze the provided links and generated a report of 9 pages. I also went ahead and did a certificate.
Before you get to the certificate, tell us about, in summary, tell us about your report.
Yeah, as I said, I generated a report of 7 pages. For the respective links. And
which links?
The URL links for the Twitter account that they were investigating. In one of number, which is 0790, which is believed to be associated with the X account.
Now you have the links in order, yes?
Yes, yeah.
Now tell us, you see from link number this, you are able to derive this and this. So
Yes.
for that mobile number, where did you derive it?
Okay. For the first link, it took me to the official page, which is the home page of the account. Which
account?
The Twitter account, coined by the handle at Postcapi landlord. That is the first link is the homepage which read President William Ruto's body leave funeral homes and a picture attached, and a photo attached. Then
A photo of what?
Of
Is it a photo of a person or a photo of
a military, a guy is in the military here, and yeah. So
what else is on that photo?
it has an object wrapped in a polythene paper, and in it it's like there's a flag, national flag. The next one is
Which is that on the third?
the third link. There is an image of a person who appears to be strangled hanging from.
Now this image, just to clarify, is this an image of a person or is it animated? This image.
Okay, it is. Okay, it's
You can show the
a kind of image of a person. It's
That is not a person.
it's not a person as such, but
Your Honor, objection. Prosecution is guiding the witness. He has just admitted that that's a person. We want it to be stuck on. You have stated that you're currently a police officer second your investigations. As far according to this report that you have tendered before this, or rather you have tendered this morning, does this report conclude that the X account belongs to the accused person?
no, Your Honor.
According to the report that you have stated, I can see that you have annexed various status, including this image
Yes, Your Honor.
that is being cited as false publication.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to your testimony, Could you confirm the legitimacy of whether this image was produced via, let's say, AI, or it is actually an authentic image?
I did not verify the validity of this image.
You could not verify.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the same report, you did further annexures of this figure, of which you stated it was an object.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was that part of the scope that you was directed by the DCI for you to investigate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you go to the letter directed by the DCI for you to undertake this investigation?
My statement is very clear. It's believed to be associated with that account because it appeared to be one of the.
That's okay.
Yes.
You believe that it is associated.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
But your deduction based on that belief is because of a post that the accused person did. Is that true?
Your Honor, the scope was to provide with whatever it's in that.
Listen to my question.
I also want to finish it.
No, it's a yes or no. It's not, because I'm going to ask you to explain yourself much further. Is that true?
I'm okay.
According to your report, you believe that number is associated to him because it was a post he had made on the
Sure.
X account.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you obtain any documentary evidence from Xcorp or Communications Authority showing that that number belongs to the said person?
No, Your Honor.
Lastly, I'll take you to your certificates.
Yes, Your Honor.
According to your certificate, are you the one who extracted those screenshots?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there an annexure authenticating how those screenshots were obtained?
No, Your Honor.
That is all, Your Honor.
Officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You still retain the police powers.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are state deployed to which entity?
National Computer Incident Response, which is based at Communication Authority of Kenya.
At the Communication Authority of Kenya.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are deployed there.
And that's office that I have stated.
You are in that office.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are the expert from the Communication Authorities of Kenya today. Your evidence is the evidence not of the DCI, but the evidence of the Communication Authority of Kenya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, that's what I wanted us to agree on. The Communication Authority of Kenya, does it have the capacity to verify Twitter accounts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is the registration of Twitter accounts?
The registrations are under the custody of the X account owners. Yeah, so it is the product, and DCI will only request for data if rather CA will only request for data from the said company. So they don't have an outright ownership of the.
Do we agree that the particulars of opening a Twitter account and the documentation is not domiciled anywhere in this republic?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get those details from, that time it was Twitter or Facebook or X? Did you seek for them to give you the ownership of that account?
No, Your Honor.
You were given instructions to identify certain links.
Yes, Your Honor.
And those links, all of them were in X.
Yes, Your
That time it was Twitter or X.
X.
X had come into play.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we've agreed that because you did not seek who is the registered owner, that's why your report, you say, it is not what? What is your final what? Your report?
I indicated that there is a number associated with this.
What are you saying that is not
linked to the suspect?
From that report, will I be right to say exonerates this young man?
From where I see it, I'm sure there are some other facts that the investigation.
From that report, it does not pinpoint this accused person.
The report covers a lot of areas. One, it paints the picture of what transpired, what made the investigating officer to investigate that matter. So I'll leave that at.
My brother, read what you said in relationship to this person. Just read it. It is you who has read it. Just read it.
I'll still say the report serves a number of reasons.
Politely. You know, me and the DCI officers, we are friends. Just read for me what you have said.
This account.
Now we are coming to the numbers. How many links did you assess?
6 links.
Link 1 is which one? Describe it.
It is the home page of that Twitter account.
Did you extract a phone number from there?
No, Your Honor.
There's no number there.
No number there.
Link 2?
No number, Your Honor.
Let's go slowly.
Yes, you are there.
There is no number.
No number.
Link 3?
No number.
Let us stop there. Why are there no numbers?
It is the actual pages of, I can say, interests, maybe.
Are those things, in a layman's language, posts? Are they things that somebody has posted on the X account?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the first 3 have no numbers.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the proper position of CAK, that it cannot be able to extract a number?
There is a procedure for that. The investigating officer had to produce a court order so that we serve X for them to give us the details. So it's not that the CA would not do it, but the court order was required to request for the data.
There was no court order
to serve
X.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which of the posts did you extract the number from?
The sixth one? Yeah, that's the sixth one.
Describe what it is from what you're seeing.
Okay, the page has got some photos of shoes.
Describe the photo that has a number. It has what and what?
Photos of yes.
Viat.
Yes, sure.
Look at the photo. That is the only one that you picked the number from.
Yes, sir.
Look at the photo or the post of a dead or something like a dead ceremony.
Yes.
It is there.
There's no number.
No. You have it?
I have it.
Have it and have the charge sheet. You have the charge sheet there?
Yes, sir.
Read the charge sheet facing this young man.
I can read the particulars of the offences.
What offense is he being charged?
False publication.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are an officer, you read complete.
False publication contrary to section 22 into bracket 1 of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018.
He's charged for doing what? Publication
of false.
That is false.
Yes,
True.
yes, sure.
The particulars will provide what was that false publication. Read it.
On the 13th November 2024 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, intentionally published false data being in image of a funeral procession with a casket covered with a Kenyan flag, escorted by military officers in ceremonial uniform, which captioned President William Ruto, body leaves leave funeral home, over a computer system X using account, landlord at Post Gabi with intent that the data shall be considered as authentic.
The particulars are very clear.
Yes.
True.
True.
That is the publication that the DCI sent you. That is the link.
Yes, sir.
The subject matter. Why this young man is here is because of that link.
Yes, sir.
And it is your evidence conclusively that you did not pick any telephone number from that.
From the links I've said there is a number.
Specific that one.
Which specifications you want?
That one of the funeral publication.
Oh, yeah. For that link specifically, no. But if I may put it.
Just hold on.
All right.
I'm specific to the link that has brought this young man here.
Yes.
Instead of being at the university.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not extract a telephone number from that link.
Yes, Your Honor.
Look at that charge sheet. Has he been charged with any other of the 6, the other 5 that you produced?
Yeah, no, I would not want to go deeper.
I've only asked you a simple question. Does that charge sheet have any other count other than that one?
No.
Thank you. You are a trained police officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have confirmed that you are trained and you handle guns. You handle that gun.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you normally get issued a specific gun.
Come again?
At the Omari, you are given a specific gun.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that, if it kills somebody, it is linked to who was issued. True.
No, I cannot go into that area because
I went to
there are very, very many reasons as to why you can link a shooting to a person and a gadget. So I don't want to go that direction.
You are the communication authority, boss.
Yes, go straight to the point.
I'm asking you, publication was done by what?
It was done on X using an account, a Twitter handle account, X, it's named as landlord, Twitter handle, pause, happy.
And the only link between X, and that publication and this young man is his registered number.
Yes, you are.
And it was not found.
I've provided a number.
And I have no further questions for you.
I swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give for this court touching the matters in question shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Please introduce yourself.
Your Honor, my name is Daniel Hamisi. Currently working in Safaricom Security Department. A team member under Law Enforcement Liaison Office. Where Your Honor, I'm assigned duties as an investigator, data analysis, and liaison services with law enforcement agencies. Seeking information from the service provider Safaricom in regard, Your Honor, to cases where Safaricom telephone accounts are invoked, Your Honor. Your Honor, I wish to confirm receipt of a request letter dated 14th.
Dated?
Dated 14th November the year 2024. Your Honor, the request was from DCI headquarters. Requesting record in respect of 4 Safaricom telephone account numbers. And I'm guided, Your Honor, to confirm record in respect of a Safaricom telephone account number 0799 357 515.
You are an officer stationed at Safaricom?
That's true. That's true.
Okay. You have also testified that CDR records, call triangulation, and also tracing was done for the accused person. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Are you aware that in 2018, in a High Court petition, Okia Mtata versus Communications Authority demanded that if such information, such as CDR, triangulation, and call data was to be produced to a third party, a court order must be produced?
Your Honor, the...
Mr. You said your name was Mr. Daniel.
Yes.
It's a yes or no answer. If you don't know about the matter, it's okay. I want to move quickly. The court is very strained on time.
Your Honor, I'm not very much conversant with if there was such a ruling.
Okay. In your position as an employee of Safaricom,
yes,
were you provided with a court order by the DCI or any other investigation officer, as far as this case is concerned, for you to provide that data that you have read out to this court that you exceedingly produced? Were you given a court order?
The order is not there.
It's not there.
Yes.
Are you aware that by doing that, you have not only violated the accused person's rights, but you also have broken the law?
Your Honor, I've not broken any law because there was a formal request which was done.
I've told you very well,
yes,
and I've asked you a very simple question. Are you aware that there's an existing law and jurisprudence? For you to do that, you need a court order. You've said you're not provided a court order, right?
Your Honor, what I have at the moment is a request letter. I don't have a particular...
I'll go with the request letter to you.
Yes, yes.
So are you aware that without an existing court order, you have violated the accused person's rights and you've broken the law?
You have not violated.
If you're not aware, just say no or yes. That's all. So you're not.
I'm not.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll take you to the request letter that you're simply eager to answer. Can you read the contents of that request letter from the DCI? Read the date together, who wrote it, and the contents.
Yes, Your Honor, the request letter is dated 14th November 2024. The requirement is that the office is investigating a cyber fence where the mobile phone number featured.
Now you can go ahead and read the content.
The requirements were that the profile IMEI history paired to the telephone numbers,
okay,
subscriber details, and call data from 15 September 2024 to 13 November 2024. And the item number 4 is on call geographical locations for the particular requested number. It's signed by Michael K. San for this act.
Very good.
Yes.
According to the Data Protection Act, when such a request letter is done by a third party, including a government agency, are you aware that such particular request did not only provide a specific into the nature on why that information needs to be provided, but more importantly, the legal to that officer to do that? Has that been given in that letter?
Yes, not, Your Honor.
That is all, Your Honor, for this witness.
Thank you, thank you. What is your status at Safaricom? Are you an employee of Safaricom or?
Currently, I'm an employee, Your Honor.
You are an employee of Safaricom?
He's seconded from DCI.
No, I'm asking, that's why I asked.
Yes.
Are you deployed as a DCI officer to go to Safaricom, or you are an employee of Safaricom?
Deployed on secondment from DCI.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You still have the police powers with you?
Through Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes.
Which number were you given to investigate? Read the number you are given.
For relevant to this case, there are four different telephone account numbers, Your Honor, in the request letter.
There are 4?
Yes, there are 4.
Telephone numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. The first one?
Is 0799
You found it. Who is the owner?
That's the report which I've just learned before this court.
Who is the owner?
Registered to Danstan Omari.
When was that account, when was that live registered?
Well, we don't have the details as when we were guided by the period which was being sold.
I'm asking you as Safaricom.
I don't have the dates when the...
That's what I'm saying, just tell the court.
Yes.
You do not know when that number was registered with Safaricom.
It's only that particular information was not requested.
What my brother, yes. I'm only asking you very specific questions. Have you produced when was the number registered?
No.
Number two, have you produced any document showing who registered the number?
The report is there.
Tell the court.
I did indicate that there's an ID and name for
ID number?
Yes, ID number 39.
Very well. What other document of registration do you have?
That's what
you have agreed you don't have the date when the telephone was registered.
Yes, we don't have the date when it was registered, but the number was registered under that ID.
I've asked a very good question. What is the procedure of opening or registering a Safaricom line?
Yes, you need to register with your personal ID card or a passport.
Yes.
For you to be able to be free and to access the network.
The only condition is an ID.
And physically you must make an application before.
That is where I'm coming.
Yes.
One must make a physical application.
That's true.
Is that physical application in writing?
Yes, there is an application form which you fill in.
And is it mandatory that he who is applying must sign?
You sign?
You sign.
Yes.
It is similar like the bank. True. There's no difference between Safaricom and the bank.
That's
the applicant must physically go to a Safaricom shop.
That's true.
Yes.
That's true.
Do you have that application form?
No. The only thing, from where we sit, we're able to retrieve is what has been installed into the system.
It is not there.
It's not. But the ID, which was registered under that name, the details are captured.
I have an ID. There's a man here called Shadrach. He can walk with my ID, go and open a line. Is that a possibility?
It's not a possibility.
How is it not a possibility?
One, if you just give any other person your ID, definitely the picture will be different from yours.
What makes that process valid? Is it the copy of the ID you have, or the signature and the handwriting of the applicant applying for that form?
Well, the actual ID is critical, that's one.
Yes.
And of course, currently there's also a system where we are able to confirm if truly you are the person who is trying to access the registration, yes, by confirming that very information from the primary number.
And that is the question I'm asking you. The date of registration could help us.
But
let me give you the history. Safaricom started when?
But should have been either 2007 or the album.
There. Yes. And every time you are upgrading.
Correct.
Are you getting the point?
True, sir.
You are changing the mode of issuing a telephone number because of fraud.
That's true.
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 And the question I put it to you is, when was this phone registered?
And
if it is a very old number, are we together?
Yes.
If it is a very old number, those securities things were not there. Anybody could be issued. Confirm that you have been deregistering very many unregistered numbers.
Not to my knowledge at the moment.
Safaricom has never deregistered?
Those which have been used fraudulently, of course, they are deregistered.
Number two, still on that line. This confirmed that Safaricom, if a particular number is not used for a certain duration, you take that number and give it to somebody.
That's the position, Your Honor.
Are we together?
That's true, Your Honor.
What is the duration? If the number is not in use, you take it and give it to somebody?
A period of, it's recycled after 6 months, Your Honor.
6 months?
Yes. If there's no active activity on the line.
This line came, you were told, to cover between which time and which time?
There's a period between 15 September and 13th November 2024.
Oh.
Between 15 September the year 2024 to 13th November the year 2024.
How many? That's
4 months, Your Honor.
4 months. Can you, with certainty?
No, that's 3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Can you, with certainty, say that number was in his exclusive use?
True.
How?
Your Honor, the aspect of this report, as in terms of any point of access, or in terms of when the number is accessing the network.
Yes.
It depicts the active, an active signal to the number or
yes.
from the number
yes.
at any given time. And additionally, picks even the ID which was active at that particular time.
The ID of the phone, not the national identification number.
ID of the ID which was used to register the subject number.
Yes.
Yes.
And the transaction you found, you've seen the charge sheet?
No, I've not seen the charge sheet.
Have a charge sheet. We are now going to the particulars of what you were told to do. Look at the charge sheet. I'm more concerned on dates in the particulars.
Mr. Omari, as he tries to get the date, there are stakeholders who are saying your voice is being heard at the last court. So maybe you can move closer.
Okay. The state always complain that he gets. I'll bring it.
Or maybe you can move closer.
I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down. Yes, boss.
Your Honor, the key date of interest in the charge sheet is indicated as 13th November the year 2024, and that's the period that refers to in the report.
13th of
November the year 2024.
And you confirm you have no document of being in control of that line on 13th.
It's there.
What you have is an ID.
The ID and the nature of the transaction which occurred, the two transactions which I've referred to.
I'm coming to the transactions.
I confirmed.
You have only the ID, a copy of the ID.
Your Honor, the two transactions I referred to.
I'm coming to transactions.
Yes.
The only document for registration that you have brought as per 13th is just an ID.
Correct.
A copy of an ID.
There's the ID, Your Honor, and besides, there's an aspect of the device which was paired to the subject number, Your Honor.
I'm coming to. Look at that ID.
Yes.
The original ID that you have, you know, according to
Yes, Your Honor, I referred to an SMS on that date, which was at around 16:24, 10 hours.
Yes, I'm not interested in an SMS.
And then there's an incoming voice call.
Yes.
At 16:46 at 4 hours. Your Honor.
Those were the only transactions
Correct.
that happened on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
The accused person is...
These are the position, Your Honor.
Look at that, is what he published.
Yes.
Is that a text message?
This is not a text message, Your Honor. There's a, this must be a video record of something.
We have eliminated the text message. Okay?
That's true, Your Honor.
The second transaction that was done is a voice call.
Yes.
Confirm that that publication is not a voice call.
It's not a voice call, yeah.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
I don't know how you can give indication of how long the cross-examination will be.
I think you've covered many. You need to cross-examine a whole day.
No. The other counsel is here.
No, not today. I'm saying for the next. I think you sought for an indication of how long you think.
It is how long they will. Who is remaining? 2 hours.
It will be enough.
It will be enough for all of us. Is the engine. Is the engine. I was thinking next week we finish this young man. It's better to be in jail or to go to school. Kindly. We can available even during the afternoon for this young man to leave. I know his fate.
October?
That's what means for us.
So 1st of October.
1st October.
Okay, thank you.
Much of that. Thank you very much, Your Honor, for indulging us.